In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and manage a CMS in Wix Studio, creating a seamless and dynamic website experience. To start, make sure you're logged into your account at studio.wix.com. Once you're in, open up your specific project. This sets the stage for all the exciting steps we'll be taking together today. You should now see that you're in the Wix Studio editor, which is your central hub for building and maintaining your website. Now that we're inside the editor, the next thing we need to do is add a CMS collection. This is crucial because the CMS is what handles all your dynamic site data. On the left panel of your screen, you'll want to click on CMS and then hit plus new collection. You'll need to give this collection a name that aligns with its purpose, like blog posts, products, or team members, depending on your needs. At this point, you also decide whether this collection is public facing, something your site visitors can access, or private, meant only for admin use. Once that's set, you'll notice a table appears, much like a spreadsheet, offering various fields that can be customized to fit your requirements. Moving on to the next step, it's time to create fields within your collection. These fields are essentially different pieces of information you want your CMS to hold. Think of adding text fields to capture details like the title, author, or category of a blog. For more extensive information, rich text fields are perfect for storing more complex content like full blog articles or detailed descriptions. You can also add image fields for any essential visuals, such as thumbnails or cover photos. Also consider adding fields like number, price, or date, depending on the specifics of your site. This setup ensures that your CMS can handle every piece of information your site requires. With the fields in place, we can now add content to your CMS. You've got two choices here. You can manually enter each row directly into your CMS table, which can be a great option for smaller amounts of data. Alternatively, if you have a lot of content ready to go, you can import it all at once using a CSV file. Each row in your CMS will represent one item, like an individual blog post or a product, making management straightforward. Now it's time to create a dynamic page, which will be essential for displaying your CMS content on your site. In the Pages panel, click on plus Add Page and select Dynamic Page. From there, choose the appropriate collection such as blog posts. Wix Studio will automatically generate a page template that links directly to your CMS, streamlining the setup process. Finally, let's connect your page elements to the CMS to ensure everything works smoothly. Add any text, images, or buttons to your dynamic page as needed. Then select each element and use the Connect to CMS option, linking it to a corresponding field in your CMS. For instance, link your title element to the post title in your CMS or your image to the cover image. This dynamic connection allows the content on your page to change automatically based on each CMS entry. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functioning CMS integrated into your Wix site, ready to handle dynamic content effortlessly.